And here we have Blessing Motoroso playing an mbira that he made. It's called a Nyunga Nyunga. What song is this, Blessing?
Chamtengure.
Sorry, say that again?
Chamtengure.
Chamtengure. Alright, Blessing, thanks very much.